When we moved into this house, we had a vision to create a basement that was like the ultimate basement. We could watch sports, we could watch games, we could have our friends over and just have like this be the spot for all our friends and our family.
Every time I come down, sometimes I just think about what it was before and what it is now. It's incredible, right? I can't believe how it's transformed.
So this is the main spot we use in our basement. Every night we come down here and we watch a basketball game. The part we like the most is the star ceiling, which Michael recommended to us, especially at night when it's dark outside and all the lights are off in the basement. The stars really glow and they give you like a very strong theater atmosphere, and it just creates such like an amazing vibe.
So before this was built, this area was just an empty sort of semicircle. And we were thinking about what to do with it, right? Me personally, I wanted to do a bar, and I know Michael also had the same vision for it. He said this would be perfect to do something different. Most bars are like square, right? So this would be something different where we could make a circle. We love this space. We love hosting people. And it almost takes us away from home even though we're home.
So this is the gym. It turned out really great. Our whole family were really active, so having a gym was really important to us. Something that kind of had enough space and all the equipment we needed to kind of replace a gym. And it turned out great. One thing Michael recommended to us was the glass doors. I think this just gave the gym like the best feel and the best look. It's the one part about the gym that everyone compliments because it just looks amazing, and you can kind of see the rest of the basement while you're working out.
Another great thing about working with Michael was nothing was impossible to him. So any ideas we had, he figured out a way to bring it to life. So for example, this bathroom right here, we had an idea of making this a reflective glass as a door. Without any hesitation, he figured out a way how to make that happen. This area is where people can get together, have fun. You can see the pool table here. We wanted to utilize the space to also make it comfortable, right? So we have almost like booths set up, comfortable benches where people can gather around, another TV, so if there's a game on. So this area is just an interactive space for people to just mingle and just have fun. This is the music room. So my dad is a big fan of music. He plays different instruments. And so we really wanted this room to capture his passion for music. And so, Michael gave us a few ideas on how we could showcase the different instruments he plays. I remember our first meeting with Michael. I knew right away that I could trust him just because of how honest he was.
He was really good. He really wanted to know exactly what we were thinking, from all the little details, from what posters he wanted to hang up, from all the colors, from the lighting, and just the overall feel he wanted to feel when we were in our basement.
He was very accountable with himself and also with us. I loved working with him. He's very personable. He's very transparent, and I think that's why things were able to move quickly in the way it did.
We're really happy with Michael and Level Up with, kind of bringing our vision to life and just creating the ultimate basement, I feel like.
It was a great experience working with the whole team, and I'm very happy about it.
I'd recommend Michael and Level Up Group to anyone. It was a great and easy process working with them, and ultimately, I'm more than happy with how the basement turned out.
You and me together, we could